Welcome back, Motorheads. This is What the F Car Finds on Facebook Marketplace, RV Edition. First, we got what they're calling a 1986 GMC for $1,700. What in the hell, Billy RV pickup truck is going on here? Wow. Now this... What in the hell are you doing, man? $1,700? I guess $1,700 is worth the bed off of it, maybe. You people just need to leave tools alone. Quit thinking outside the box sometimes, because obviously it's not working out for you. And this here's a prime example of stupidity. Next got a 1981 Ford Bronco for $400. What in the absolute F is this? $400? Are you trying to say you're going to pay somebody $400 to come haul this BOS out of your yard? Ain't no way in hell you get $400 out of that, man. That is some little creature's habitat, for God's sakes, man. You got the right to evict the poor creatures that's been living in that damn thing? He said it's good for an off-road rig. Bullshit, man. Next got a 1973 Apollo for $2,500. If you're enjoying today's video, be sure to hit that like button for us. It really helps us out. He said it was running a few years ago. Come pick it up today and start your traveler life. In a classic, nonetheless. What are you going to do, man? Put that thing on a flatbed and have the semi-truck driver take you across the country so you can look out the windshield? Some bitch ain't going nowhere, man. Stop you lying, man. That thing ain't been running a few years ago. That thing ain't ran in 25, 30 years, for God's sakes. Next got a 1984 Chevrolet for $2,500. Oh, for God's sakes. This one here's got bad water damage, he says, but it's only got 83,000 miles, and the previous owner replaced the motor and transmission. Dude. How about you just pull the motor out of it, and the transmission out of it, and sell that? Because if you're trying to sell the RV as a whole, you ain't getting that kind of money out of that thing, dude. That is a festering, molded nightmare. Next, got a 1963 Ford for $10,500. The level of stupidity and the asking prices on garbage anymore. This person wants $10,500 for this thing. It's not even running. This thing needs a complete resto done to it. I'm not saying the bus itself not worth saving, but it ain't worth saving for $10,500, dude. I don't know what you people have been smoking, snorting, poking, whatever you've been doing here, but you need to stay off of the chemicals that you've been ingesting. It's really starting to show that you don't have very many brain cells left to afford to be losing like this. Especially coming up with these kind of stupid prices here, Riri. No way in hell. Next, we got what they're called an antique motorhome for $4,500. Oh, for God's sakes. I just love how they put the bling in the grill there, trying to make everybody think it's not a Dodge and it's a damn Mercedes. Oh, for the love of God, you people are Funds and Noons. And if you don't know what a Funds and Noon is, that's a person that farts in the bathtub and eats the damn bubbles, for God's sakes. Yeah, this probably could have made a halfway decent motorhome, but no, you get them guys that want to play Bob Vila on the weekend, start tearing everything apart, and never follow through and complete the project. Leave it like this for many years so everything starts living in it, starts molding and all that. No, you're not getting $4,500. Next, got 1997 International for $4,500. Well, looks like we done found out what Short Bus Tommy's been up to. We done found his winter project, build himself a short bus camper, because Short Bus Tommy, he just really likes riding the short bus quite a bit. But Short Bus Tommy can't take all the credit. He's been hanging out with half-ass get the job done Bill. For God's sakes, they still think this thing's worth $4,500. Half-ass done? No. Next, got a 1990 Ford for $1,100. What the inbred builder hell is happening here now, for God's sakes? This is the kind of shit that nightmares are made of, man. What in the absolute F are we even looking at here? Oh my God, is this what happens? This is what happened to Bob Vila. Bob Vila got hooked on the junk and he went to Texas and started building RVs. Oh, for God's sake, somebody send a rescue party for Bob Vila. Somebody needs to call Norm Abrams to get some help for Bob, man. Go help your old friend, dude. Next, got a 1979 GMC for $7,500. What in the redneck rolling discotheque is happening here with this poor GMC? Dude, $7,500? No, you're not getting $7,500. I'm digging the the $150 Walmart special air conditioner hanging out the back, though. Somehow I'm thinking that one single air conditioner ain't keeping you from getting a case of swamp ass in that damn thing. I tell you that. Just saying so. In the summertime, it's painted black out there, and it creates heat is what I'm trying to say, folks. It just creates heat in there. And that just really leads to a stinky undercarriage. And what in the hell is going on in your bathroom right there? Ooh, dude, that looks nastier than a fiberglass poop house. Oh man, you didn't get $7,500. I do think the bus is worth saving, but not for $7,500. It just can't happen for $7,500. Next got the Marty GR bus, ready to roll for $7,000. Don't give me a break, $7,000. Y'all been eating way too much fermented gator meat down there in Louisiana, thinking you're getting $7,000 out of this damn bus here. It's all multicolored color racing buses. Color racers were cool, but that was back in the 1980s. And color racers kind of faded out now. But this damn thing's not even done. No way. Next got a 1967 Carpenter motorhome for $3,500. Seller says needs some TLC and a tune-up. It ran 4.5 years ago when parked. Yeah, well, I'm going to call BS on that one right there. I don't think this thing was running 4.5 years ago. It looked like it been sitting there longer than 4.5 damn years. Now look, $3,500. This thing's kind of weirdly, mildly interesting. I think it might be worth saving, but I think not for $3,500. I don't actually recall ever seeing one of these things before, but like I said, it is mildly intriguing, but only intriguing for maybe like $1,000 to $1,500. Next got 2004 Chevrolet Camper for $19,500. Ha! You're out of your damn mind. Look at all that delamination right there in the overhead of the cab. Look at the delamination on the back wall. This thing has got a lot of water damage. They've covered it up on the inside. You can kind of tell. That front cap over top the cab right there, those things are notorious for rotting out on there. And a lot of water damage up there. Like I said, you can see it on the outside wall and you can see it on the back wall. One would assume they didn't seal that roof properly around the seams and it's got down in there. Yeah, I'd run from this one. Next got a 1989 Ford for $6,500. What in the redneck engineering mobility ramp is happening here with this poor RV? Did you seriously just cut a hole in the side of your damn RV and put a damn ramp in there to put your dirt bike? Dude, they actually have carriers that will actually mount into your hitch on the back of your RV, for God's sakes. Oh my God. Did you sit and think hard about what you were doing when you come up with that idea? Say, I bet I can cut a hole in the side of my camper. Easier than buying a carrier, and look at that frame job he done. Nothing says quality carpentry like split wood from the screws. Next got a 2024 Western Star for $539,995. Well, I really hate to have to do this and sell my beloved RV here, but not enough of you guys are hitting that like button. If you want to show me some love so I can keep the RV, smash the hell out of that like button today, will you? I wish that was mine. Woo! Boy, this is a nice RV. I'm not going to lie. This is a beautiful RV, and I would love to have it, but that's something I will never be able to pay for in my lifetime, unless seriously you guys start hitting that like button, and, more subscribers and all that stuff. Hit the subscribe button, come back and watch my craziness. It's actually crazy how nice RVs have become over the years. Well, let's say they're flashy, not necessarily nice. I think some of the build quality on the new ones are not as great as they were on the older ones. That's my personal feelings, but a lot of people, you have to keep updating, and they know, and there's people wanting way too many creature comforts in their RVs. Not that I'm saying I wouldn't take this one here. I would absolutely take this one here, but I think I'd have to thoroughly go over it and make sure how well this was actually built. Because like I said, a lot of the new things they're building anymore are just garbage. But actually, this is a beautiful RV. And I think this would make somebody a very nice one if you were rich, but I'm not. Well, anyway, if you like today's video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one.